Okay, here we are. It's humid, it's hot, but I think we're prepped and ready. Darren's on his way. Brandon gets off of work at 4. We're gonna get everything loaded up, prepped, and ready to go. Let's check out the FZ. So, there she is, in all her glory. She's taped, she's prepped, she's ready for the track. We went with the vinyl on the headlights. All the fuses are pulled. We got new frame sliders. Facebook steel, brand new. We got full set of GB Racing case protectors. Them badass frame sliders, dough. We've got a set of Driven Racing TT rear sets, so I don't scrape my toes off. Had a little issue last track day. We've got the GoPro set up, the Hero 9 with the Hyper Smooth 3.0, knock out some of that vibration. We got a forward mount. We got the rear mount all figured out. We're ready to go. I mean, this bike's fresh. She's clean. She's tip top. She's got brand new brakes. She got some Moto brand new fresh fluids. Look how clean that looks. She got a new set of Q3 pluses. We squatching. So that's us. Got the girlfriend's ride. She's ready to go. She's all taped up. Let's get this thing wiped down a little bit. Get her ready to ride. Get these things loaded up. It's time. Let's go. Well, the day has come, boys and girls. We're fogging up out here. Like Louisiana humidity. Let me give this a little clean.
How much? A couple hundred, yeah.
What the fuck all that? What's
all,
inside there?
Wow. That's awesome. It's all them goodies.
All the goodies.
It's time. It's time to get loaded up.
Yeah, well, yeah.
It's time for NCM.
The final countdown.
Tomorrow's road trip day.
Got my motorcycle jacket, got my suit.
We got Black Widow. We got Mississippi White Lightning. We got a little purple Baby Shark.
And
We got Stormtrooper, the Squatch.
which one is it?
I don't know.
Squatch, Yeti.
I don't like naming
Trooper.
shit, honestly. We got a lot of shit to load. What you got over there? Oh, fucking.
I had to try it. I had to try it, make sure it wasn't poison.
I thought you said that was brand new.
It was.
I ain't messing
It
with
was.
Oh, Lord
Oh man,
Jesus.
you gotta get at least.
Lord Jesus.
Say,
What's up with these slicks, boy? Them things look like they old.
yeah, they're old.
One day.
1 day old.
1 day old.
And then he was born.
Hey,
bro, I feel this carcass on this thing.
You want to feel my carcass?
No shit, look. Feel the tire. You know how like a DOT tire? Look, push on it.
That thing hard, boy. Good Lord.
Hey.
Lord Jesus.
Bitch ain't hard once them warmers on there, huh?
You got your skull, you got your spit, your dip.
I got my spit down.
What's that called?
Stokers?
Strokers.
Stoker?
All right, homies, let's do this. Yeah. Let's get this shit loaded, you heard me?
You talking to me?
Trailer's getting full.
Tell you what. Meet me in Kentucky on the track.
You think we can fit another bike on there?
Hell yeah. What's wrong?
The mini moto.
It's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work. Yours is lower.
No, you need a, no, look, strap yours down here. Strap it to here. Pull it down. There you go.
Well, It's 4:40 in the morning. The day has finally come. It's time for road trip. Darren's still sleeping. Tiff's in the house getting her last little minute things taken care of. But we're ready to go. Wakey, wakey. It's time to get up. You know what time it is? It's time to get your ass up. That's what time it is.
Hello?
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 Are you ready to party?
I've been ready.
You got your mullet combed and fresh shaven?
Hell yeah.
We're sitting on the side of the road because someone forgot to strap their bike down. And now there's a car coming and they're gonna rip my door off. Oh, there's 2 trucks coming. What are you doing back there?
Trying to get your door knocked off?
Trying to kill us? You comfy back there?
Fuck yeah.
Where you going, homie?
PP. I got a pay.
Good morning.
I'm gonna get a snack if not.
Yeah, you better go get a snack.
Want anything?
Nah. I'm driving, so I gotta get that triple shot of 200 and some odd 25 milligrams of caffeine. We loaded up though. We loaded up. We got a full trailer. We loaded the fuck down. Loaded down. TDW bound. Turned out good. Let me see the other side. Sweet.
I'm ready to drive whenever you do.
What do you got there? What is that? Let me see what you eat. Is this, you know you got a tracksuit you gotta fit in, huh? We're stuck in fucking traffic. Let's check on the bikes. Got it?
No.
You want to see? Let me know what state we're in. I think we're in Alabama. Second fuel run for the Beast.
I've ridden so much and it's never done that.
What's going on over here? You getting ready? The old purple Beast, that's Baby Shark. Anybody know where Darren's at?
I'm gonna be on the trip.
Just relaxing. Moe's Original Barbecue.
186 miles to go.
How long?
186.
Where are we?
We had the best barbecue place in Alabama.
Oh my God. I don't even know what state we're in.
Moe's Original.
We're in like
We're in
Tuscaloosa or Birmingham. No, we're in Birmingham, huh?
Definitely in Alabama.
You know what?
Priceville.
Priceville.
Moe's Barbecue.
Get you some.
Sweet tea. We made it, fellas.
Man. Hey, you ain't gonna move this trailer from right here, are you?
No, that's his forever home. NCM, baby. We all made it in one piece. Oh, stinky boy.
Hey, leave me alone.
That's our garage right there. We got the premium parking spot. We pay extra for all this goodness. The girlfriend's in the truck sucking up that air conditioning. The guys are out here slaving, doing what we do.
That picture I took on your phone, that's spot on for every bike that I've used so far. What's the door?
It's almost 10 o'clock at night. We just stuffed our faces with Hardee's, like a bunch of homeless fatties. Darren's mad because the economy's inflated and his hamburger costs $30. We at the hotel though.
Your legs rotting off.
It's time to get some sleep.
Jason, you wear shower shoes in the offshore?
Yeah, I'm not stepping in jism. Babe, you got all your luggage?
Yeah.
Jesus.
19 of them.
All 19 bags. We made it. We in the Baymont Inn. Hey, where's the black light? I need to check the sheets. Did you turn the air down?
Hey,
Nobody
get the
turn
fuck
the air
off
down
of it.
for
I already
princess.
touched. Get out of here.
Don't touch it. He already touched it.
You got it at 60. I'm sure that'll be good enough.
It's bedtime. We're going to
Hey,
sleep. We'll
y'all
see
want
you in the
this bed over
morning.
here?
Deuces. It's
Time to get up.
5:53. We're awake.
Kind of.
Brandon was sexually assaulted last night. With that corn balls. He's getting corn balls today.
By a human motorcycle.
Darren was making motorcycle sounds in his sleep.
Yes, sir.
It's not raining. That's a plus.
It's tomorrow first. I did it.
You're the devil, woman.
It's okay. We're not at the track. I can say the word.
Oh God, no.
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 You're not ready.
No.
60% and 80%.
No.
Wow.
I wasn't ready.
Make you get bubble gut.
It's 6 o'clock. We're all completely dressed and ready to go. Darren, check.
Yeah.
Jason, check. Brandon, check. Tiffany, good morning.
No check.
Morning.
How's that sandwich, big dog? Is it smoky?
A breakfast of champions.
It's good.
Uh-huh.
Good morning.
Bring it in.
Because Darren goes there too.
Bring it in.
Hey,
What is that?
to the
Rice
next
and beans,
advantage.
rice
Hurry,
and beans. Here.
hurry.
To the next advantage.
Bring it in. Squeeze it in. I
can't see.
Cheers.